Hello everyone, it's me again, Margaret. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share to all of you how to do it steam inhalation, especially right now because we are in the season of pandemic, and if you got mild cough or you got a mild fever or something, people afraid to see a doctor because maybe they declared that they have COVID or something. So this method, I try it lately because I have also bad cough and it's help, but we need to take also a medicine for sure. So let's start. First we need to have a towel, and then this one, and the hot water, of course. So you need to put the water on a pan, and then before you do it, before you cover your head, you need to close your eyes. So all you can do is, actually it is easy, very easy. So cover and then inhale as long as you can, but don't forget to cover your, don't forget to close your eyes. All you can do is inhale and inhale as long as you can, and I swear this method, I guaranteed it is effective 100%. You can do it this one every twice a day. So all you can do is inhale so that you can inhale the hot, so I think that's all about it. And if you can do it this method, if you try this one, you get sweat, and I swear you breathe really good, and it's really help. But of course, if we do this method, we need to take also a medicine for sure. So I think that's all about it, and I got sweet already, and I love the feeling that if you do steam inhalation. So yeah, I hope through this video you learn something, you got an idea how to do it. And before we end this video, if you are new my channel, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you keep updating my latest video. And of course, feel free to share with all your friends, your colleagues. You need to share this video. I know a lot of people have bad cough or sneezing or runny nose at this time because of the weather. So hit thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.